I'm going to show you how to stamp with paint using different kinds of food as your stamps. So I have several different kinds of food here. I have a bell pepper, just I cut like a thin slice of it. I have an orange and I cut off part of it so I can see the inside. I have 3 different sizes of strawberry slices, so like small, medium, large. I have a slice of tomato, and I have a broccoli tree. Okay, so I'm going to use all of these as stamps, and we'll see how they look on the paper. So you'll need different kinds of food, and you'll need some paint. I have acrylic paint already poured out on my plate here, and you'll need some paper. So I think I'll start with the smaller stamps first and see how it goes. So I'll do the larger strawberry. So that's what it looks like on the inside where I cut it. And I think I'll just do it red because it kind of makes sense, right? So I'm just gonna dip my strawberry in there. And I don't want it to be too gloppy with paint. I want the layer of paint on the stamp to be somewhat thin so I can see the different textures in the strawberry. So I'll try this one. Right here. I'll try again. Press down a little bit more. Oh, cool. Okay. So let's try a different one. I'll do the broccoli next. And try an unexpected color for the broccoli. I'll try the black. So I'm just gonna get some of the black acrylic on the flowery part of my broccoli. And try it out. So there it is. I'll try it down the side here. Cool. Do the orange next. And I think I'll use a paintbrush to put some of the paint on my orange. I'll try actually orange. And I think I'll add like maybe some red. So it'll be like half and half, half orange, half red, just to change it up a little bit, see how it looks. Okay, so I've got orange and red on my orange. Try it. Not bad. Try a second one. I feel like the second one will always show more texture because it'll have less paint. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna do one more time with the orange. Yeah, I like that. I like that one. I like the third one I did. That one looks the best. Okay, I'll try the bell pepper. I'm not sure which side to do it with. I guess I'll just do it this side. And I'll do a green, I think. Some green. Okay. Find a space on my paper that it fits. I'll do it down here. Cool. Looks like a face, or like the maybe like an animal's head with the ears. Okay, my last one is the tomato. And I don't know what color to do it. Maybe I just try all the colors together, like a mishmash. And the tomato's pretty wet still, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. Some black. Red. More green. Yeah, it's like every color. And I have a feeling I won't be able to see very much texture because the tomatoes are wet to begin with, and then I put the wet paint on it. So here we go. Oh, now I can't even pick it up. I'll do one more. Yeah. I think the tomato is probably too wet to do this. But the other ones, the other foods came out really good, I think. They give us some interesting textures and shapes.